Welcome to a new unboxing video. Today I will be opening 15,000 euros. Now you might be wondering, wait a minute, this ain't no money pack. This is superior light sauce from China. But that's where you're mistaken. Let me show you. This is actually super genius packaging. Because if it was branded as a money pack, this might get stolen on the way here. So what they did, they disguise it as a soy sauce, so nobody will steal it. And zazam! Here we have the actual money pack. As you can see, it has the bank logos on the side. I had to withdraw the money from many different banks because for such a large amount of withdraw, you need to do tricks. And these are all the banks I have. So I have many accounts. So yeah. 15,000 euros. Nice. Simple packaging design. I like that. Let's go ahead and rip it open. I'm using the screwdriver because I ran out of money for this video. I withdrew all of my money, so I didn't have enough money to buy like knife or something like that. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh, they pack it really well. Really tight money pack. Okay, here we go. Here comes the money shot. Literally the money shot. Boom. The box is empty. And ooh, look at this. Tenner bills and 5-year bills should be 1,000 each, but we have to check and make sure. So, which one should we start first with? I think last time I started with 10,000, so this time let's start with 5,000. Ooh, it looks really smooth. Look, very well stacked. This money is super well stacked, and it comes with the plastic wrapping. Let's open it. Easy to open. So 5 different money booster packs. Ooh. Wow. This is crazy. This is how the money should be stacked. Like everything is in order. It's super. Ooh. Did I speak too early? I see some dent on the money. Okay, it's just the first 2. These are not rare anyway, so we can discard them. The rest, yes, they are in mint, perfect 10 condition. Nice. These 5-year bills, they're so smooth and so crisp, straight from the printer, that it's super nice to touch them. So yeah, this was 500 euro money booster pack. Seems like we didn't get any rares. That's fine. We still have 4 more to go. Ooh. But let's not open it yet. Let's open this 10,000 euro pack first. So this one is slightly different. I don't know, is this a resealed pack or something? Look, this rubber band is all worn out. The plastic cover is already messed up. It seems like somebody already opened this. I'm not a big fan of this pack. What does it say here? Bank of Finland. Finland's bank. Eurosystem. I don't know, man. This seems kind of sketchy to me. We might be dealing with resealed pack. Oh my god, look at this. They're all in different order. How is this even possible? How? What did they do here? What did they do here? Let's open one. Hold on. So, oof. What is this? This is the worst money booster pack I have ever opened. Unbelievable. Everything is in different order. This one is already broken. I really got scammed on this one. Look at this. Oh my god, like, how can they send this quality of bills to me? Like, this is unacceptable. I'm not dealing with this. This, straight to the trash. This is like, I wouldn't even give this money to my dogs because they deserve better quality bills. Like, what the hell is up with this? Crazy, like. What if it's just that one money pack? No, it's not just this money pack, so. Oh no, this, like, everything is wrong here. What did they do? So we got scammed, resealed money packs. We lost like 10,000 euros here, but I'm glad this 500 euro money pack was actually, this is worth something. Like, you see, much better quality, and they have like much crispier. This is even shinier, this like barcode or whatever this thing is, I don't know. But yeah, really unfortunate. Let's hope. I'm not gonna order it from the same seller anymore. Like, let's see. Citibank, British Business Bank, CapitalOne, UBS, Deutsche Bank, and what else is here? Like US Bank, Chase Bank, Bank of America, this is Bank of New York Mellon or something like that. These banks are all boycotting right now. We're gonna boycott these banks because they sent us a resealed pack and we don't deal with that. Okay, I have to pause here. I just finished filming the video and I realized something was missing. Look, if there is a 100 bills in each stack and there is 5 of these, that means there's only 7.5 thousand here. Look, 5,000, 2.5 thousand. Where is the rest of the 15,000 euros? So 7.5 thousand is missing. But look, then I realized this is genius. Hidden compartment here in the box, look. So I hope the rest of the money is here, but I'm not sure. Look, let's check it out. Yes, it is here. Nice. Oh, they sent me 50 euro bills and 20 euro bills. That is bonus points. Okay, so now let's check one more time. Now the box should be empty. Okay, so we have 100 of 50 euros, that's 5,000. Then we have 100 of 20s, that's 2,000. And we have one extra 500 back here. So in total, now it's 15,000. So let's see. Okay, what is this? This extra 500 pack is like, this is not the same quality as the other 5 bills they sent me. Look, these were all in order, but this is messed up money. Let's hope the 20 euro stack is much better. So oh my god, what is this again? Yeah, as expected, I didn't have any high hopes for this, but the 20 euro stack also not great quality. Worn out money, 5 out of 10 of this one. But then we have 50 euro. Some of you commented that 50 euro is your favorite bill, but I forgot to put it in my previous video in the shorts. So this is for you now. 50 euros. Enjoy. Ooh, some of them are really high quality like this one, but some of them are like, I don't know, man, like look at this. This is all messed up money. You cannot get any mint grading PSA 10 on these, like, yeah, unbelievable. But anyway, sorry for forgetting the rest of the money. And yeah, bonus points for hiding them in this soy sauce, superior Chinese soy sauce pack, because nobody will steal this money. So 15,000 euros. like the video, subscribe for more money unboxing videos, and yeah, leave a comment below. What do you think about this money? I think they need to improve it a lot because this is not acceptable. It's worn out, it's used, it's not in mint condition. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next epic consumer goods review. Thanks for watching.